The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 continues to prove that you don't need massive displacement or extreme pricing to enjoy a true cruiser experience. For riders who value comfort, reliability, classic style, and smooth everyday performance, the Shadow 750 remains one of Honda's most balanced and confidence-inspiring motorcycles. In this latest iteration, Honda has refined the formula rather than reinventing it, focusing on improved ride quality, subtle design upgrades, and modern usability while preserving the bike's timeless cruiser soul. At the heart of the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 is its liquid-cooled, 745 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, an engine that has built a legendary reputation for durability and smooth power delivery. This V-twin is tuned for strong low-end and mid-range torque, which is exactly what cruiser riders want. The power comes on smoothly, without sudden surges, making it ideal for relaxed city cruising, long highway rides, and even beginner-friendly operation. You don't have to constantly downshift to access usable power. The Shadow pulls confidently from low RPMs, giving the rider a calm, stress-free riding experience. Honda's fuel injection system plays a big role in how refined the Shadow 750 feels. Throttle response is clean and predictable, with no hesitation whether you're rolling on the gas from a stoplight or cruising steadily on the highway. This also improves fuel efficiency, making the Shadow 750 surprisingly economical for a mid-size cruiser. Riders can expect excellent mileage, which means fewer fuel stops and more time enjoying the ride. Honda has also paid attention to rider comfort in terms of vibration control. One of the challenges for many V-twin cruisers is excessive engine vibration at higher speeds. The Shadow 750, however, incorporates refined engine mounts and precise balancing, ensuring that vibrations are minimized at highway speeds. For the technologically minded, while the Shadow 750 keeps electronics simple, Honda has subtly integrated modern conveniences where it counts. The fuel-injected engine eliminates the need for manual choke operation, while the ignition system ensures reliable starts even in colder climates. The lighting system has also received upgrades, with LED headlights and taillights that not only improve nighttime visibility but also enhance the bike's modern aesthetic without compromising the classic cruiser look. The 5-speed transmission is geared perfectly for real-world riding. Shifts are smooth and positive, typical of Honda engineering, and the clutch action is light enough to remain comfortable even in heavy traffic. On the highway, the Shadow 750 feels relaxed and composed, cruising comfortably at higher speeds without excessive vibration. Honda has done an excellent job of balancing the engine to minimize harshness, which adds to the bike's long-distance comfort. One of the Shadow 750's biggest strengths is its ride quality. The low seat height immediately inspires confidence, especially for shorter riders or those new to cruisers. At around 25.8 inches, the seat allows most riders to place both feet flat on the ground, making stops and slow-speed maneuvering effortless. This alone makes the Shadow 750 one of the most approachable cruisers on the market. The chassis is stable and predictable, with a well-balanced frame that feels planted at both low and high speeds. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort rather than aggressive performance, which suits the cruiser character perfectly. The front telescopic fork absorbs bumps smoothly, while the rear twin shocks provide a comfortable ride over uneven roads without feeling too soft or unstable. Whether you're riding through city streets, country roads, or long highways, the Shadow 750 maintains a calm and reassuring ride. Braking performance on the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 is solid and confidence-inspiring. The front disc brake delivers progressive stopping power, while the rear drum brake adds stability during deceleration. Honda's braking system is tuned for smoothness rather than aggressive bite, which aligns well with the bike's relaxed cruising nature. For everyday riding, commuting, and touring, the braking setup feels more than adequate and easy to control. Design has always been one of the Shadow 750's strongest selling points, and the 2026 model stays true to that legacy. The bike features a classic cruiser silhouette with clean lines, a long and low stance, and tasteful chrome accents. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank, flowing fenders, and minimalist bodywork give the Shadow a timeless appearance that doesn't chase trends but instead embraces traditional cruiser aesthetics. Honda has refined the finishes for 2026, offering updated color options that enhance the bike's premium feel. Deep, rich paint tones combined with polished metal details give the Shadow 750 a classy presence on the road. The blacked-out engine components contrast beautifully with chrome highlights, striking a balance between modern style and old-school charm. The ergonomics of the Shadow 750 are designed for comfort above all else. The wide handlebars are positioned naturally, reducing strain on the shoulders and wrists. The forward-mounted foot pegs allow for a relaxed leg position, ideal for long rides. The seat itself is well padded and supportive, providing comfort for extended periods without feeling overly soft. For solo riders, the Shadow 750 is especially comfortable, and with optional accessories, it can easily be set up for two-up riding or light touring. Instrumentation on the 2026 model remains simple and functional. The single analog speedometer keeps the classic look intact while integrating essential digital information such as fuel level, odometer, and trip meters. Honda has intentionally avoided clutter, making the display easy to read at a glance. This simplicity fits perfectly with the Shadow's philosophy of uncomplicated, enjoyable riding. One of the Shadow 750's most unique selling points is its reputation for reliability. Honda motorcycles are known worldwide for their longevity, and the Shadow line is no exception. This bike is built to last, with proven engineering, high-quality components, and minimal maintenance requirements. For riders who want a motorcycle they can depend on daily, year after year, the Shadow 750 offers exceptional peace of mind. Another major advantage is how versatile the Shadow 750 is. While it's clearly a cruiser, it doesn't feel limited to one type of riding. It works equally well as a daily commuter, a weekend cruiser, or a relaxed touring bike. Its manageable weight and predictable handling make it easy to ride in traffic, while its comfort and stability shine on longer journeys. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for riders who want one bike that can do it all without complexity. Customization potential is another strong point. The Honda Shadow 750 has a massive aftermarket support network, allowing riders to personalize their bike with exhaust systems, seats, handlebars, windshields, saddlebags, and more. Whether you want a minimalist bobber look or a more touring-focused setup, the Shadow 750 provides a solid base to build upon. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 remains very competitive in the cruiser segment. Expected pricing starts at around $8,000 to $8,500, depending on the market and optional features. This positions it as an affordable yet premium option, especially when compared to larger cruisers that often cost significantly more while offering similar real-world performance. When you look at the overall package, the Shadow 750 delivers incredible value. You're getting a proven V-twin engine, excellent build quality, comfortable ergonomics, timeless design, and Honda's legendary reliability, all at a price that remains accessible to a wide range of riders. It's a motorcycle that doesn't try to impress with flashy numbers but instead wins hearts with how good it feels to ride every day. For the global bike biz audience, the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 represents a motorcycle that stays true to its roots while continuing to evolve subtly with modern expectations. It's perfect for new riders stepping into the cruiser world, experienced riders looking for a dependable and comfortable machine, or anyone who appreciates classic styling paired with modern engineering. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 isn't about speed records or aggressive performance. It's about smooth rides, relaxed cruising, and enjoying the journey. It's a reminder that sometimes, the best motorcycles are the ones that simply do everything right, without unnecessary complications. If you're looking for a cruiser that blends tradition, comfort, reliability, and value into one beautifully balanced package, the Honda Shadow 750 remains one of the strongest choices in its class.